Put Group A and Group B fully into the barrel. Mix the adhesive until it becomes creamy. The surface should be scratched, and the interface agent should also be used to interfacial agent the whole base course. Wait after the interface agent dries. Scraping on the back of the product to create a serrated pattern. The back side of slab products should reach more than 90% of the full scraping. Paste from top to bottom and compact. Pat the compactioner with a clapper. Here is the point. Except for aluminum honeycomb panels. For smooth surfaces, such as aluminum plastic plates, this treatment can be applied. The specific construction should be carried out according to the actual situation.